You got what?
First we get cars, color. And now I get cars, planes color.
Cool, dude.
Yeah.
What is this huge thing, man?
It's a name.
Well, it's a funky looking ape.
Yeah.
That's a big train track.
Whoa.
Who set it up?
Sir?
Who set it up?
You must have bent over your clothes because I was in the bed. Where did you do it, Daddy?
Maybe Santa did.
Santa did. He's got magic. He got magic power, man.
Maybe he did.
Hmm.
Hey, more smoke. I got some more smoke. We got some more smoke.
Let's see. This. Oh, this is a. This is a maintenance kit. It's how to keep your train from breaking down. It's how to take care of it. With all the stuff that you do. This stuff cleans the track, and this stuff keeps the wheels spinning. And this helps the wheel spin, and then the eraser for the track.
The eraser?
Mm-hmm.
That's a eraser? So
Well,
you can.
it's not the same kind as a pencil eraser, but it's a track cleaning eraser.
Oh, nice. That doesn't play the track.
Ooh, check this out.
Ooh.
You know what that is? This is a railer.
So you put it on the track, and it just.
Turn down. There.
Oh, and then you turn it on and it turns down on the track.
Mm-hmm.
What keeps the train moving?
What keeps it moving? Besides the power?
I think I should clean the tracks.
I think you should open some presents.
Are those the ones you needed the kid? Oh, he ate all of it.
You did?
Some.
Yes, I'm hungry, dude.
Yeah, but some. But a lot of these too. Chloe.
Cool.
I got your train out of the way. What is all this stuff, man?
A new air mattress.
Sweet!
I'm pretty sure I wanted a Christmas tree. None of these look like a Christmas tree.
And the train you've got is
A Christmas tree. And I kind of want more color on it. Hey! Look!
what is that?
I don't know.
It looks like squishy sand to me. It says play foam.
Play foam.
It's squishy, squashy, shaping fun. Never dries out.
Never dries out.
Mm-hmm. That's what it says.
So it'll keep
Not right now. I don't think. I think there is one. No. Somebody's here. Good morning. What's up? Merry Christmas. Anybody? I haven't even wiped the sleep out of our eyes yet. What? Where's the baby?
2 seconds ago.
He's having his morning. So he hasn't even opened everything yet. Oh goodness. He's opened one present.
Hey, Cat, you look like a wild one we have running around.
Shoot.
What y'all doing, Dally? Okay, I'm ready to watch this activity.
Oh goodness, haven't even opened up all of them. Haven't even started.
Where you at, monkey? Where's Christopher? Did Santa Claus come? Look at this racetrack. Holy smokes. Santa Claus bring it?
Train track,
What did I say?
racetrack.
Oh, thank you, baby. Oh, I'm sorry, Chris is still asleep. Oh. Yeah. Then can I have his Santa Claus stuff?
Who was flushing the
He
toilet?
said he wanted to keep sleeping. That was Toby flushing the toilet. Oh.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, your tree looks pretty. It has some sparklers right in the middle. Is that a real tree?
No,
Okay. I was thinking.
not at all.
Okay. Looks pretty. Merry Christmas! Woo, what fun, what fun. Precious? Is this what Santa Claus
No, I got the train
brought?
and these, but I got more tracks
Did
and
you?
even more tracks.
More tracks.
Oh,
yeah.
man.
I even got this.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
What's
So
in the
what
bottle?
it
Is
is-
that a repair kit?
Track
Track cleaning, okay.
Yes, a maintenance.
Ah, make it jump.
Wow. No, it's not to make it
I was
jump.
gonna say, I don't think it would do that very well.
It's not to make a jump. You set the train on and it just goes on the jack. Ooh, that's a good
Ah,
one.
okay, I see. Yeah, it lines up.
So you know to be very gentle. That way you don't have to lay down on the floor.
Yeah.
and
Great. That's a good idea.
What isn't that? Well, it also makes pretty cool room.
Yeah. Yeah, I just don't think it would land properly and stay on the track.
Yeah. Did y'all have a good evening?
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
You had a good Christmas Eve? I think your hooks were open. Your tree is so cute. Very pretty. You got a big ladder to get up there, didn't you? No, it's just step one.
Is that tree sitting on a block or something to make it cover?
No, we don't have the bottom two branches.
Oh,
And
okay.
it's chew on it.
Okay.
That took the bottom two off. And it makes the wings more pleasant. Yeah.
You know,
So did Santa Claus wrap up the presents? Yep. I didn't do it. Which one came from Santa Claus?
it's like there's cat.
Oh, I see. That's right. Cat joke.
Yeah, cat food.
Hairball. Ooh, you left? Yeah, there's cookie and it's gone. Right across the front.
Yep, a
Really?
cookie in is all the time. And thing that they need, he did eat a lot of the white crackers, but I ate the less, but I still got one more in here.
Well, you must have promised Santa Claus you'd be a good boy this year. I was wondering what happened to this tablecloth. It still smells. It's like twice in the sink, and then the last one I put it in the washing machine.
It doesn't smell.
But I didn't,
Smells fine to me. Did this big spot come out?
I hadn't flattened it out to see, but it looks like it did, but it looks like there's still patches of
Hold it, baby.
yellow in it.
Let's see here. Let's see here. Very pretty. Nothing on this side.
Did I leave
It
the
looks to
open?
me like that your side is a little more yellow than the other end.
You're still asleep.
Santa Claus must
Could be
have
shadow or
liked
something.
mine.
I'm gonna wash it one more time.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna make a
That's
special.
what trips buzzes your wheels.
I'm not gonna make a
Looks
special
great.
load for it or anything, but
Yeah, I looked for it yesterday to wash it. Because I took off my
Santa took all the milk.
one table because we splattered spaghetti on it.
yeah.
And I was pre-treating it and then I started looking for this one to pre-treat.
Ooh.
And I thought, well, she must have got it back home.
Is that from Santa Claus?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I wonder if all these I can open.
Is it all new from yesterday? Was it under the tree last night?
I know,
No.
that one wasn't, was under the tree.
No, all of these were under the tree the last time he was in the house.
Okay.
But they're not Santa.
Oh, okay.
They're just mom and daddy taking out home rats.
So Santa Claus is just over here in the green.
Mm-hmm.
Cute.
With Santa Claus right
Oh, yeah. Oh, we have a candy land game. That's such a fun game.
Yeah, it's been around forever.
This is what I really wanted to quiz me.
Very nice.
handprint.
Maybe I can
Oh,
make
yeah,
a
yeah.
Our
train set.
pictures are all crumbled up. We painted it before we wrapped it.
Oh,
It's
cute.
It's for Papa.
Now your papa.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a new car.
Your car.
A new car.
A new car.
What kind of car is it?
It's
Is it a real car?
Is it a remote control car?
new. It's only there for looks.
Oh,
It's
that's
just a
a
model car. It's a cheap, about the same size of those cars
Wow!
that he collects,
Yeah.
but it's a play model.
Hey!
Only $33.
At least I
A
know.
car that he's always
Need a
used.
Podcast card.
Yeah. So he's getting
I
this car
want
versus
one
the
of
real
these.
thing.
Versus the $200 collector car. Yeah, he's getting the $30.
Ooh, Monopoly. That'd be fun. Monopoly.
Yeah, mine
Junior.
will have
I
one of
probably
these.
have two of those.
Monopoly.
No, cars.
Oh.
I didn't collect them all. I think they were given to me. Well, I know Mark Rossini gave me one about 15 years ago. It's a Ferrari, and somebody else gave me a Lamborghini. Maybe they gave me a Lamborghini also, I don't remember.
I didn't turn around, so. Remind me to call Mike.
Cliffy, did you get my email?
I did. I just hadn't been able to respond yet,
Okay.
or read it twice.
Okay.
I've scanned it.
Turn around and.
Your Christmas ornaments, decorations are so pretty.
Building blocks.
Chris had a new air mattress too, because the one that Mom and Daddy sleeps on.
Yeah, Pop.
How did it pop?
It popped.
Me and Mommy were playing and I kept on going backwards and then jumping.
Jumping on me.
Oh, man.
And then she kept on pushing me back.
Yeah, we were playing too rough on it.
Yeah,
And we popped it.
we popped it.
But it was fun popping it. But we don't want to pop anymore.
Yeah.
What is that?
got some more blocks.
More
Wow.
blocks.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, I know what that is.
Oh, yeah, that's like the Jenga game. Oh,
We have this on our iPad.
And it's so much fun knocking those blocks over, huh?
Yeah, here's it goes.
Now you really knock them over.
well, what did you get at your Grandma Diane's house?
The whole back of the truck is
Yeah, the whole truck. All them presents took up the whole truck.
Oh, my
Good.
goodness.
We got more train tracks
Uh-huh.
and stuff to go with the train track
Uh-huh.
and Ninja Turtle stuff.
Uh-huh.
You can hand me your wrapping paper. Or not.
You get a trash bag?
Calendar?
I do, thank
Yeah,
you.
the Mustang calendar.
Cute.
Mustang calendar.
Indeed.
A Mustang
I
calendar.
love Mustangs.
Yep.
All of these pictures are the pictures on the calendar
Oh,
for each
cute.
month. There's one of those at Papa's.
Yep.
It's a Martha Beach Day.
And the hood is not. The hood's up.
Hand me your paper. What hood is up?
You know, the pictures.
Oh, this one.
The one that looks like Papa's?
Yeah.
Oh.
You've got the party pack over there or something. Is that balloons and stuff?
A boat movie, just what I really wanted.
Boat?
Yeah, a boat.
Cool, dude.
It's a boat movie. He's a super dog.
So when you go to your dad's?
And there's a funny part about this
And
movie.
when you go to Randy's?
We went there Tuesday night.
There's a
Well, we went to Miss Lois's daughter's house. Yeah. Randy wasn't feeling good, so he didn't.
Oh, was it from, well, why was he not feeling good?
She's getting sick.
Huh?
She's getting sick.
Oh, I thought you
Lois
said
was
Randy
not.
was.
No, she said Granny was not.
Oh, Randy.
Oh, you
Oh,
said
Randy.
Randy. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And so why was he not feeling well?
He was thrown off.
Oh, really?
Or something.
Not coming from the cancer, is it?
I don't think so. I think it might be flu or
There's a-
something going around.
there's a funny part about this movie.
Yeah?
Yeah, when they bust out, the hamster says, "Oh my goodness, Volcano," but I forgot the first part. I know he says Volcano.
Bolton Rhino.
Yeah,
That
Volcano.
too. Cute.
It says Play-Doh that doesn't dry out.
Mhm.
It's play foam.
And he just squish it.
And they also make it in the sand.
So it's called Playphone Sand.
It really feels like sand.
Really?
This is the first movie I get to slide out.
You get to slide out.
And the first movie
What's
I
the name
get
of your
from Sand.
movie?